Hello everyone. From the last session's learning, we know the content that needs daily inspection for transformers. So what abnormal operating conditions might occur during operation when power transformers operate normally? Due to alternating current passing through the transformer windings, periodic alternating magnetic flux is generated in the core, causing magnetotriction of the silicon steel sheets. The magnetic forces between the core joints and laminations and the electromagnetic forces between the winding conductors cause vibrations, producing a continuous, uniform buzzing sound. This is all normal phenomenon. If the transformer fails or operates abnormally, the sound will become abnormal. Many transformer faults are also accompanied by sharp temperature rises and changes in oil color. If it is found that under the same normal conditions the temperature is 10 degrees higher than usual, or the load remains unchanged, but the temperature keeps rising, it is considered that an abnormal phenomenon has occurred inside the transformer. When abnormal operating phenomena occur in the transformer, it is necessary to report the abnormal situation in a timely manner, analyze and handle it to prevent it from developing into a fault. This requires staff to promptly detect abnormalities during inspection tours, but because the manifestations during abnormal operation are sometimes not obvious, this requires our staff not only to have certain self-management abilities and conduct inspections on time, but also to have a serious and careful work attitude in order to detect problems in a timely manner first. Let's analyze what are the common abnormal operating states of transformers, then, based on the abnormal phenomena, analyze the causes and handling methods. Students, the learning objectives to master in this section are the types of abnormal phenomena in power transformers and their causes to accurately judge abnormal phenomena and take handling measures. Okay, Namert, let's learn about the causes and handling methods of abnormal phenomena in power transformers. To detect abnormal operating phenomena in transformers, mainly rely on two words, listening and looking. Listening is the sound emitted by the transformer. Looking mainly involves observing the oil temperature, gauge oil, level gauge, oil color, etc. First, let us listen to the normal operating sound of the transformer. Students, knowing the normal operating sound of the transformer can better distinguish abnormal phenomena in transformers. Moreover, abnormal sounds caused by different reasons are also different. This requires our staff to have a serious and careful work attitude. Okay, then let's just specifically talk about the different states represented by different sounds. When the transformer is overloaded, it emits a heavy buzzing sound. When the transformer load changes sharply, it emits a heavy wailing sound. When overvoltage occurs in the power grid, it emits a noise that is sometimes coarse and sometimes fine. When there is a system short circuit, it also emits a loud noise. Internal discharge in the transformer will produce a crackling sound. When winding insulation breaks down or interturn short circuit occurs, it will produces a gurgling sound. The above are the different sounds emitted by different states. Next is to look first. Check if the temperature gauge indication is normal. When it exceeds the normal indication value, analyze the cause of abnormal oil temperature. The main causes of abnormal oil temperature include internal transformer faults, abnormal operation of cooling devices, transformer overload, etc. After analyzing the cause of abnormal oil temperature, take timely handling measures. Second, check if the transformer's oil level is normal. When the oil level is too high, it is due to abnormal cooling operation or overfilling due to ambient temperature changes when adding oil to the transformer, while low oil level is due to transformer oil leakage or reduction caused by temperature changes. When the original oil level is not high, false oil level may occur due to blockage of the conservator oil gauge pipe, blockage of the breather, or blockage of the explosion-proof tube air vent. In addition to the above abnormalities, transformers also have some other abnormal phenomena. For example, if a change in transformer oil color is found during inspection, sample and test it. If the oil color changes significantly, immediately stop using the transformer. Complete or partial interruption of the working power supply for transformer cooling devices, oil pump failure, fan failure, etc. The transformer will send signals for backup, cooler activation, or complete stop of coolers. When there is a minor internal fault in the transformer, air enters the transformer, oil level decreases, or secondary circuit failure occurs. The transformer will activate the light gas action indicator to alert operators to take corresponding measures. It is emphasized that gas protection is one of the main protections for transformers. It can protect against most faults occurring inside the transformer often. The light gas acts first to send a signal, then the heavy gas acts to trip. When the transformer issues a light gas fault, an alarm bell will ring, and the light gas action indicator signal will appear. Causes of light gas phenomenon may include minor internal faults, such as interturn faults in the transformer, transformer oil level decrease, or misoperation caused by secondary circuits. When a gas alarm signal is issued, check the oil level and other components. Take gas and oil samples for chromatographic analysis. Judge the nature of the fault based on the chromatographic analysis results. If no abnormalities are found after multiple checks, it can be confirmed as misoperation of the secondary circuit at this time. The transformer can be trial energized and monitored. Okay, then we have finished learning about common abnormal operating conditions of transformers after class. Students are required to complete the post-class simple questions on time based on the ability to analyze frequently occurring abnormal phenomena in transformers and research what abnormal operations often occur in transformers in the Inner Mongolia region and analyze the causes. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.